Welcome to our tutorial on Go external modules. External modules are a crucial part of Go development, as they allow for code reusability and better project organization. By leveraging external modules, developers can significantly reduce code duplication and improve overall project maintainability. In this video, we'll explore how to effectively utilize external modules in your Go projects. Let's start by understanding why external modules are essential for any scalable and efficient Go application. Now that we've seen the importance of external modules, let's consider the challenges developers face without them. Code duplication and dependency management are common pain points. Without a structured approach to reusing code, projects can become bloated and hard to maintain. This leads to increased development time and potential bugs. Effective use of external modules can alleviate these issues, streamlining your workflow and improving overall project quality. Now that we've seen the challenges of code duplication and dependency management, let's explore how Go modules can help. Go modules are the official dependency management system for Go, introduced in Go 1.11. They allow you to declare and manage dependencies for your project, making it easier to track and update dependencies. By using Go modules, you can simplify your project structure and improve maintainability. To get started, you can initialize a new module using the command shown here. Now that we've learned how to initialize and manage dependencies with Go modules, let's demonstrate how to import and use an external module in a Go project. We'll use the popular Gorilla Mux router as an example. First, we need to download the module using the go-get command. This will add the module to our go.mod file. Then, we can import it in our Go code and start using its functions. After importing and using an external module, it's crucial to manage dependencies effectively. This includes using semantic versioning to ensure compatibility and avoiding transitive dependencies that can lead to complexity. By following these best practices, you can maintain a clean and efficient project structure. Additionally, being aware of common pitfalls such as module duplication can help you troubleshoot issues more efficiently. Effective module management is key to scaling your Go projects. Now that we've covered the essentials of managing external modules in Go, you're equipped to enhance your project organization and scalability. Effective module management is key to maintaining a clean and efficient project structure. Remember, mastering external modules can significantly simplify your code and improve your development workflow. Take what you've learned and apply it to your projects. We'd love to hear about your experience with Go modules in the comments below.